Are you looking for the best flip chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best flip chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, your Zone Flip Chair, composed of ultra suede material. Here is a flip chair that can be perfect for small spaces. This has an attractive look that can easily blend with your decor. Moreover, it can be an ideal item for any room or apartment and allows you to convert it into a bed. It allows you to convert it into 3 different positions, and you don't have to worry about getting a pillow by folding one part. Furthermore, this can be very helpful when you have a sleepover guest, and it is available in lightweight construction. Additionally, the product allows you to use it for a long time, and it comes with easy maintenance. At number 4, Urban Shop Convertible Flip Chair. The durable construction of this flip chair will let you use it for a long time. In this, you will find 3 locking positions so that you can use it in multiple ways. Furthermore, this can lay flat just like a bed, and you can even use it as a reclining lounge chair. Moreover, it comes with a click-clack locking mechanism and eliminates the need for having tools. The product does not require any assembling, and it is composed of high-quality poly canvas. Additionally, this can be perfect for homes with limited space and makes sure that you have exceptional comfort. At number 3, Aclumsy Futon Convertible Upholstered Chair. The memory foam padding of this flip chair will make sure that you have outstanding comfort. This is available in 2 different colors, and you can easily convert it into multiple positions. Moreover, this will let you use it according to your needs and delivers reliable performance with the anti-slip construction. It comes with 4 non-slip feet and can be ideal for limited spaces. Additionally, this has wide applications and offers you maximum convenience. Furthermore, this is composed of high-quality materials and ensures there will be long-lasting use. At number 2, your Zone Ultra Suede Flip Chair. Here is a flip chair that allows you to lock it in 3 different positions. This gives you the option to select from multiple colors, and it is in a multi-functional design. Moreover, it does not require any assembling, and it has a high weight capacity. This can be great if you have visitors and allows you to save space. Additionally, it offers you superior comfort and has a lightweight construction. It comes in a convertible design and has high-quality suede construction. Furthermore, this comes with foam filling and offers you multiple options. At number 1, Giantex Triple Fold Couch Sofa. With the ability to blend with your exterior decor, this is a combination of attractiveness and durability. In this, you will find a metal frame so that there can be better support. Moreover, the feature allows you to select from 6 reclining positions, and it comes with an easy control mechanism. This lets you have a comfortable experience, and it comes with internal padding. The product also has eco-friendly construction and makes sure that there will be long-lasting use. Additionally, it can be perfect for limited spaces, and you can carry it conveniently. Furthermore, it is resistant to dirt so that there can be easy maintenance. You can have better convenience with an extra pillow. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.